Look at this, man. Look at this. Okay, this is the bus stop. Bus stop. Ain't you. This is a bus stop over here. That ain't no bus for to get through. Buses get stuck in the snow and stuff like that. Look at this. Look at this. This is just nuts. People still out here. Co-workers are superheroes. Look at the bus. Even the fireman is outside. It's crazy. This is crazy, crazy, crazy.